Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Emily and today, as you can tell, there is a massive box beside me, and this box is filled with Korean skincare, Korean makeup, Korean beauty essentially. So today I'm going to be unboxing this huge box of Korean beauty, skincare, cosmetics, whatever. So as you can tell, it says YADAH at the front because the majority of the products in here are by YADAH. So first of all, I just want to say that this video is totally not sponsored. I actually work with Niche and Cult, which recently just added YADAH to their line. So I work with them, so they sent me a whole box of YADAH goodies. It also comes with some KONJAC sponge company sponges as well. But this video is not sponsored. This is just me unboxing the box that they sent to me because I like unboxing stuff. So let's open this box. Not gonna lie, I had like a little sneak peek only because I needed to take a product out of this box because I needed to film this product and all this stuff. It doesn't really matter at this point. So I had a little sneak peek, but I didn't see anything. Everything is wrapped, though. I don't know what's going on in here. So let's open this box. So anyways, like I said, I work with Niche and Cult and they recently just added YADAH to their website. I'll leave them in the description below, and I'll also leave a link to their channel because I also make videos on their channel. So if you want to check that out, please do check that out because I'll be on there. The first thing are 6 sponges. So these are the new designs for the KONJAC sponge company boxes. So the KONJAC sponge company, I actually use their KONJAC sponges every day. It's become part of my skincare routine. It is amazing. I totally recommend it, and I'm not just saying that. I noticed a difference in my skin texture. This is actually something that I kind of needed in my skincare routine, and I didn't know I needed it until I tried it, and I see an improvement with my skin, and I've been using it for quite a few months now, and I see a difference. Sponges over here. So look at this packaging. It looks nice, and these sponges are amazing. I would recommend this to anyone. Since this has become part of my skincare routine, I will not go a day without using it. It's a really nice thing to cleanse your face with, and it's an award-winning sponge, so you know it's good stuff. So as I said, I have 6 sponges and they are catered towards different types of skin types. You have the pink one, which is the French pink clay, and this is for tired skin. Bamboo charcoal, which is the one I like using because this is for oily skin, and it's also for acne prone skin as well. And I like using charcoal stuff. My favorite cleanser is charcoal as well, so this one is my favorite. The French red clay for dry and mature skin. So the red one, you've got a white one, which is just the 100% pure konjac plant fiber one, and this is for all skin types. French green clay, and this one's for combination skin. The last one I'm showing you, which is the antioxidant rich green tea, and this is for city skin. So if you're in an area where there's kind of like a lot of pollutants. Anyways, next thing, like I said, I essentially didn't really see anything because if you look in this, well, this box is kind of heavy. If you look in this box, it's all just wrapped. Ooh, I'm even weak when this box is heavy. I'm just gonna select anything randomly because I actually don't know what I'm receiving. And ooh, so the rest of the stuff that's in here are by YADAH. And so if you don't know YADAH, the word comes from the Hebrew name for wisdom. Here we have 2 products. We have the anti-tea cream, and it's a moisturizing cream. Moisturizing cream with botanical ingredients to comfortably soothe sensitive skin and moisturizer. YADAH is a very good brand for being quite like natural. Ooh, I like the packaging for this. I really like the frosted kind of glass look. Ooh. Oh, this smells like, I'm really bad with scents, but I think it smells kind of, I was gonna say like peppermint tea or green tea or like tea tree. I don't know, it smells something green. Okay, so the next thing is their green tea pure cleansing balm, and it's a makeup remover. And oh, I've been looking out for a good makeup remover actually. I really like their packaging. I think a lot of Korean beauty packaging is just very nice and cute. Oh wait, whoa, I was expecting like a cream. This is like this looks like a candle to me. I'm guessing this is, did they say balm? Yeah, it's a balm. I'm dumb, I'm sorry. I cannot wait to try these. So essentially I'm showing you the entire YADAH collection, which is crazy. So this is the Oh My Sun Protection Tone Up Base. Oh, SPF 50 plus. And this is the Oh My Sun Protection Milk. In the UK there aren't a lot of, I mean, I haven't found one. A great sun protecting moisturizer or lotion. It's usually when I find one it's like SPF 10 or SPF 20. It's nothing high. I know you should always be protecting your sun from protecting your skin from the sun. The sun is actually one of the main causes of why you have wrinkles, so yeah, protect yourself. Oh, I like the packaging. It's very sleek. Like, this is something you could literally just pop in your like makeup bag or something. This is nice. And it's, oh, PA plus 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 plus. Oh, it's one of these squeezy out things. So that was the Oh My Sun Protection Milk. This one is the Oh My Sun Protection Tone Up Base. And this is also PA plus 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 plus. YADAH, a lot of their products, I mean, I think the base of their products actually come from the Korean prickly pear cactus. So I think that's why they have a little cute cactus over here. I really like that. This is more of like the moisturizer, I guess. I was gonna literally smell it, but it's got a film on it. So here we have 4 of YADAH's lip tints. I actually realized I'm so stupid and I forgot to turn my mic on, so I'm just re-recording this bit. So we have the red one. So the red one is in 03 Real Red. So all of these includes kapuaku seed butter, sunflower seed oil, and jojoba seed oil or jojoba. I don't know how to pronounce it. I never knew how to pronounce it, and I don't think I ever will. I already swatched this, but I'm just gonna go over the swatch. I don't know if you can see, but it is quite a red color, and it's like a pure red color. A lot of the colors that I've seen in cosmetics are usually quite a deep red. They have quite brownish tones to it. This is just literally like a pure bright red. Next one is 01 Wannabe Pink, and this one is quite a bright pink color. The formula of this feels very light and it's super light. Look at it. It's very pigmented. It's not a very sheer lip tint. What I really love about lip tints is you can literally just have it at the start of the day and like you don't really have to worry about it throughout the day. You don't have to really worry about reapplication or even it just fading away, because if it fades away it kind of just stains at your, oh my god, this is gonna stain my skin. Next one is this orange color, and this is the 04 Juicy Orange. Okay, orange. I'm kind of like, I'm scared of putting like orange kind of colors onto, oh my god, how did I get this all on my fingers? Oh my god, how is this all over my hands? You know what, I have this issue with when I write things down on anything. I know the issue is me. When I write with a pen, so say if I got like an exam or a test or whatever and I'm writing with my pen, at the end of the exam I'll find pen marks all over my hand and I don't know how it got there. The orange one's very bright. I'm scared of bright orange colors. I feel like I can't really pull off orangey corally colors on my lips. I don't know if it's the makeup look that I do, but I just feel like it doesn't suit my lips for some reason, or my complexion. I don't know the reason why. The last one. So the last one is 02 Peach Coral. So they have a doe foot applicator and it's slightly tilted and it's slightly hollow in the center. Slightly hollow as in like there's a little hole in the middle. Yeah. But wow, I really like these. Okay. Oh, wow. So this is just a baby wipe. This is Calculon baby wipes if you want to be exact. But they are tints. So as you can tell, this is a proper tint. Like, it will tint your lip. Next thing we have, oh, this is heavy. This one's heavy. This is the anti-tea toner and this is the anti-trouble bubble cleanser. Oh, I've never tried a bubble cleanser before. I really want to try a bubble cleanser. If you want to see me actually using all of these products, I'll actually use them on a different channel. It'll be on Niche and Cole's channel, so I'll leave them in the description below if you actually want to see these products in action, like properly. I'm scared if I spray and I just get it everywhere. Because knowing me, I'm a klutz. I'm clumsy. Anti-T toner. Oh, toner's one thing that I try to put into my skincare routine, but it's hard for me to find one that reacts to my skin well. I've tried popular toners. Was it Glow Tonic? I've tried a bunch of drugstore toners as well. All of these toners, they give me like bumps on my skin. So I'm just like, first of all, spending over £10 on a toner and then for it to give me bumps on my skin, I'm literally just like, I sit there and think like, this is my life. Why is this happening to me? I haven't found a toner that works on my skin. But ooh, is this glass? I'm not trying to be an ASMR channel right now. I think the scents that I'm smelling from their line is from their Prickly Pear Cactus. The toner that soothes skin by controlling moisture balance and a fresh texture without stickiness. Oh yeah, don't like stickiness. I've always dealt with stickiness because my skin is just pure oily. Ooh, this one's a heavy one too. Okay. Oh, what's this one? This one looks cool. This one's in a green box. Anti-T Emulsion. And you also have the Cactus Toner. It's a moisturizing toner. Ooh, okay. These are nicely sized products. The Emulsion, which, oh wow. I think I just have a thing for frosted glass that anything with this kind of packaging I like. Ooh, 6 interesting ingredients. Olive fruit oil, how am I saying this? Jojoba oil, got citrus tuners fruit extract, eucalyptus, globulus leaf extract, you got eugenia something, clove flower extract, and you got a root extract. This one is the Cactus Toner. I really do hope that these toners are good for my skin. So this one, ooh. I really like the packaging. What do we have left? We have 2, 1, and we got 2 like little letter boxes or something. Oh, these, wow, that's a lot of masks. Wow, damn, I think this is every mask that YADAH has. So let's go through the mask. Anti-T mask pack, and ooh. Then you have 4 of these. So they're 100% natural cotton sheets. And so this is the collagen mask pack. You got the pure care mask pack, 2 of the soothing masks pack. Oh, I can't wait to try these. Oh my god, they've got a natto mask. What the heck? I've never tried natto before. I've seen it when I went to Japan. I saw it in the supermarket and I thought, oh, I want to try it. Not really. It looks so interesting. I've never seen a natto mask before. So if you don't know what natto is, it's like this fermented soybean, like this gooey food. It's a Japanese food and it's not the most attractive food. I really do want to try it. I want to try this mask. Anyways, I was going to show you these, but since this natto thing kind of just like spoke out to me apparently, I'm gonna go through these. So these are daily green masks. Daily green masks? Oh, they're all daily green masks. So these are the daily green masks. This is the natto collagen. This is gonna be interesting. And this is the moisturizing one. It has a picture of a cactus. I guess the cactus one. Oh, I didn't say what this one's for. So this one's for elasticity. So this one is the soothing one, and what plant is this? Okay, so these ones, I think these ones look very exciting. As I said, I'm like a sucker for packaging, and these ones, these look cute. These are the jelly masks. I have 2 of each. So we got the revitalizing jelly pack. This one has ginseng root extract. I'm interested to what this smells like because ginseng to me is not the best smelling thing. Okay, so this blue one, Oputina Ficus indica extract. Oh yes, that citrus fruit extract. So we're moving on to the last package. Ooh, okay. Nose strips. I've actually tried a lot of nose strips. I've only tried drugstore nose strips. I don't know anything about anything that's expensive because that's out of my range. I've tried good ones, I've tried bad ones. Right now I've got a lot of gunk in my nose, and I actually thought about doing a nose strip. Since I got these ones, I want to try out these ones. Charcoal cleansing nose pack. I do like charcoal, great for my oily skin. And so you got the original ones. They're red zone spot cream. Oh, I want to give this to Baz. He got a lot of spots sometimes, especially when he eats bad. He ate 2 pizzas yesterday. He's gonna get a spot. Oh, that is a different applicator. Can you see this applicator? I'm so far away from the camera. I don't know if you're seeing anything right now. Oh, it's a palm. We got 4 of their lip lacquers, and I really like the packaging because colors that I see here are all colors that I would typically use, especially this one. This one seems like such a nice color to me. 4 of YADAH's Be My Lip Lacquer. So 01 nudie beige. This, okay, so for me, I can't do light lip colors because I feel like it just looks weird for my lip shape. I've tried it before and I just look like a weirdo. I look weird, but this is like the lightest I would go, so this is like just right. Well, I really like the packaging on this. It's very like, it seems very like, kind of like a soft, nice look. This is actually quite, I don't know what material it is. It feels quite silicone-y, has a good grip to it, but it's like soft at the same time. This is just your average plastic. Ooh, that's glass or plastic, I don't know, but it's something. You know what? I want to put one of these on my lips and try it. I think I want to try this one. We'll get to that in a minute. It's like a very like nudish but pink. It's very nice and light. This is a nude that I can wear, finally. Number 2 is Chili Red. Oh, I actually kind of like this color. Very nice, very nice. 03 Coral Pink. It's very rare for me to find a nice coral color, but I think this, oh, this one's got a bright lid. Oh wow, this is brighter than I thought it would be. Oh, this is a bright red. A bright pink, I meant. It's a mix. It's like a mix between pink and red. It's bright. Okay, so the last one, which I want to try on, this one's called Vintage Rose. This is the color that I'm most excited for. Let's try it. Where's the mirror? Okay, on my lips, I have like a tinted balm, and it's pretty much not even existent on my lips anymore. Ooh, I really like colors that are close to my lip shade, but they're like enhance it. So I like a really nice natural pink. Ooh, I like this one. I know for a fact I'm gonna get it on my teeth. I'm just gonna say sorry in advance. I also have like my dry lips peeling off on my skin. I mean on my lips, and so it's making it not as noticeable because it is quite a moisturizer. This is moisturizing. I'm confused because I'm used to this not being moisturizing. Like this reminds me of the NYX Soft Matte Lip Cream, and the application of it reminds me of it, but the texture is a lot more moisturizing and less dry. A lot less drying because, oh my god, oh no, oh no, oh no, oh no, we stained. Like I said, me and like anything, I'd make a mess out of it. It's okay, we'll wash this. Oh my god, it's all over my skin. Okay, last 2 things. I'm sorry this video's been a long one. I feel like it's been very long. Wow, sunscreen SPF 50+. This is good for if I go on holiday or in the summer. PA++++. Ooh, okay, so this is in 21 light beige. Oh, okay, I've always wanted to try one of these. I always wanted to try a cushion. Oh, okay. This one's in light beige, so this one's in 21 light beige, and this one's in natural beige. Oh, I can't wait to try these out. I've never tried a cushion before. But anyways, that is it for my unboxing video. I pretty much unboxed the entire YADAH range in front of you, so I hope you guys enjoyed that. I'll see you guys in my next video very, very shortly. If you want to see me use these products, or if you want to see these products in use, they'll be on Nisha and Cole's YouTube channel. I'll link it in the description below. I'll see you guys in my next one. Bye!